Hey guys, Zach BB Matson here, and today we're going to paint the frame. We primed it in the last video. Now it's time to put some paint on. Shake the paint real good, and let's start laying some color on this 1972 CL350 frame. Alright, let's do it. Respirator on. We're shaking our paint. And let's do it. Nice easy strokes. There is nothing more satisfying than throwing color over primer. It just feels so good, so very good. Excited to have the frame complete, man. This was a big job. You know, honestly, to do all of the sandblasting, all that work, you got to dedicate an entire day to do it. Okay? Take a day, take your time, do a good job, and we're going to have good results. Really excited for UPS, FedEx, United Postal Service, all those people this weekend, drop some cash. Got all the parts on the way. I mean, I have a ton of work to do in the polishing department, but we're officially rebuilding this motorcycle. I'm excited. Everything from multiple sources. I was able to source it all this weekend, figure out where to get it from. And it's all on the way. I got a bunch of emails today of shipping notifications and ETAs. It kind of feels like the holiday might have screwed me a little bit on getting some of the parts by the weekend, but it don't matter because I have so freaking much polishing to do. It's almost like I don't really deserve to get the parts until I get all that polishing done. But it's on the way. Like, can you guys think of anything, more satisfying than throwing color on top of primer? It's just like a passage, right? It's a rite of passage. So like, I just did a whole bunch of work. Now I'm putting all this time, or all this color on it to kind of finalize this big step. And it's really great. So let's hop over to time-lapse mode. Long, easy strokes on this frame. And before we know it, this thing's going to be ready to rock and roll. We're getting this frame painted and done tonight. All right, it's pretty clear, man. It takes one can of spray paint to put one good wet coat onto a CL350 motorcycle frame. That's what I'm finding. The can is starting to sputter, and I'm just getting to the end of this first nice wet coat. And again, this is a really wet coat that I'm putting on this. I'm going pretty hardcore on the frame. No mercy. I'm really not even that worried about any kind of run. I'm being kind of careful around some of the visible spots, but I'm just taking this stuff on big time. So there we go. And it's finally starting to falter. Again, I really focus on the welds. Protect the welds. Any kind of seam. That's what you want to do. So I think that's where we're at. I'll let this thing dry real good. We'll come back and we'll hit it again.
All right, guys. Well, while we wait for the paint to dry before we go to paint coat 2, got to do something here. Got to make a little bit of a change on the channel. NFL football regular season starts this week, so I'm trading out the Gopher hat. All right, we're getting rid of the Gopher hat, and we're going to the Vikings hat. Skull Vikings 2019 score, a prediction, a record prediction, real quick. I think we can go 10-6 this year. We're going to make the playoffs. We're going to make a run. But 10-6, Vikings, Skull Vikings. Just go Vikings. Actually. Anyway, back to watching paint dry. All right, guys, let's keep going. Let's keep going with this bad boy.
Lay another coat on. Keep moving forward. We're gonna have an awesome bite. Here we go, game 2. Do it, I'm gonna get down on the ground, make sure we get the other side on this set here. Really, really good.
All right, guys, feeling pretty damn good about this. Frame's jet black. We put 2 real wet coats on it. Now I think it's time just to rest. I mean, I threw almost 2 cans on the frame, and I think she's ready to go. Again, I got down on the ground, trying to look at it from every conceivable angle, and it's tacky. It's super wet right now, but I think it looks absolutely fantastic. This is some pretty good paint. I actually really, the more I'm painting with this stuff, the more I like it. It's this Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel. 15-minute fast dry. I kind of call bullshit on that one, though. I painted all those other parts, too. I mean, it took a hell of a lot longer than 15 minutes to get that to dry. So I think that's it for today. We're just going to let this sit. I'm going to seal up the shop, make sure we don't get a bunch of dust all over the frame. And then, yeah, time to keep polishing and going after it. So, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the journey. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe. Please thumbs up the videos that you enjoy. It really, really helps people find the channel. Also, find me on Instagram and Twitter at BVMatson. Follow along there. And wait, one thing I do want to do before we go, let's reveal the badge. I always kind of enjoy this part. It's fun to reveal the badge just a little bit. So just gonna take the tape. I might be a little premature on this deal, but damn it, I'm excited. I'm excited to see how this all turned out. So I got 2 pieces of duct tape on here. Just gonna start pulling it off. Straight up. Boom, there's one. And we got the other one. Hold steady, girl. Ah, it's tricky. Tricky stuff, man. Really don't want to scratch the paint. Oh my God, I'm like shaking. Ha! I'm like shaking, guys. There we go. Got that end up. Bada bing. Bada boom. That's gonna clean up just fine. There it is. We are good to go. We are golden. I feel like the frame just needs to rest. Have a great night, guys. Thanks for watching these videos. I'm having an absolute blast working on this bike with you.